ഈ രക്ഷാദൗത്യം അടക്കം നടത്തുന്നതിൽ മുന്നിൽ നിന്നത് നമ്മുടെ അഭിമാനമായ സൈന്യം ആയിരുന്നു. ആ സൈന്യത്തിന്റെ പല വിഭാഗങ്ങളും ഇപ്പോൾ അവിടെ നിന്ന് പിന്മാറുകയാണ്, അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഒഴിവാവുകയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ കളക്ടർ സംസാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു.
Requisite for the forces. Then I immediately said, yes, of course, you are required here. And by afternoon, and that because of all of your help, most of the people we were able to rescue. That is a great achievement for me. For me, it is a great achievement because all the people who we were able to rescue within 2 days we could do. After that, only 4 people were stranded, and that is like a minor thing. So it is because of you that the bridge was also done on time, and that was a great turn for the entire rescue operation. So from all of us, of course, from like all of us present here, the police, the ministers, the entire state of Kerala, and the local people here, heartfelt thanks to all of you for your support and your valuable contribution to this mission. And the local people also have accepted all of you, and now continuously they're asking me like whether army is leaving today, really are they leaving, they're asking me. But I do understand that your part you have done it very well. The rescue operation is what army is supposed to do. That part you have done very well, and it is time for them to move on. Baki ulla alkarum, other people will be there with us, NDRF, fire and rescue, coastal guards. Baki forces will definitely be with us, and we will continue this operation. So my request to the media and the local people also that we are not stopping this operation at all, at no point. But what army had to do, they have done it very well, and it is not fair on our part to retain them any longer because they are meant for other purposes. Other people will be needing them, and we have to leave them with all the respects. So that is the reason some part of them will be leaving us, other people will continue with us, and the search and rescue operation will go on for some more time. Thank you. A list nan kai mara. Okay. So GOC KK sub area, Commandant Para Training Center, Commandant DSC cadre, Column cadre 1, Column cadre 2, Column cadre TA, Engineer Task Force cadre, OC Engineer, cadre Trivandrum, Column cadre Trivandrum, Indian Navy, Lieutenant Anuj, Lieutenant Devender. These many people are ഇവർ പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. ബാക്കിയുള്ള ആൾക്കാർ ഇനി തുടരും, നമ്മളെ കൂടെ ഉണ്ട്. അതല്ലാതെ ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഫോഴ്സസും ഉണ്ട്. യെസ് യെസ് ഓക്കെ.
ഡാൻ കുര്യൻ ആണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ചേരുന്നത്. ഡാൻ, നേരത്തെ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി ഇപ്പോൾ മന്ത്രിമാർ ഉൾപ്പെടെ അവിടെയുണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് അവരുടെ പ്രതികരണം കൂടി കേൾക്കേണ്ടതുണ്ട്. മുഹമ്മദ് റിയാസ്, AK ശശീന്ദ്രൻ ഉൾപ്പെടെയുള്ളവർ ഉണ്ട്. ദിവസങ്ങളായി മന്ത്രിമാർ ഉൾപ്പെടെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ ആയിരുന്നു ഈ രക്ഷാപ്രവർത്തനം ഏകോപിപ്പിച്ചിരുന്നത്.